Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here in the mighty metropolis of Martin, Iowa on a very windy day, and look what we got here today. It is a Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, custom paint, custom wheels, custom this, custom that, aftermarket seat. But the big deal about this one, the great deal about this one, look at this, it's got a belt drive. We just put this on, we haven't even rode it yet. You and we're going to be the first ones to take this out for a run. We're going to see how it does. Really neat. Isn't that something? I think that's a Gates belt. I think that's what it's called. The kits, Baxtercycle.com sells the kits. Look at that. Trip machine seat on there. Anyway, all kinds of goodies. So what is an Interceptor? Interceptor is the air-cooled parallel twin 650, 648cc, something like that. Single overhead cam, 4-valve per cylinder head. Check that out. All that power goes through a 6-speed transmission. It's got about 47 horsepower, 39 foot-pounds of torque. That's about 53 Newton meters. Now this one might have just a bit more. It's got these beautiful polished S&S pipes. Check it out. And the restrictors are out of them. I checked that earlier. That's going to make for some fun, right? Just a gorgeous thing. He's got a bunch of extras on this one. He's got Pirelli tires on the back and on the front, I believe. Scorpions. It's got the custom seat. It's got all kinds of add-ons. We've seen this bike before. It was built by Baxter Custom Cycles. It's called Shaken, Not Stirred. Just a beautiful machine, and now it is belt drive, so it should be extra smooth. Just a beautiful thing, isn't it? It's got 41 millimeter forks in the front with about 4.4 inches of travel. I think that's about 109 millimeters on the back. It's got these stock shocks, about 3.5 inches of travel, about 89 millimeters. Check that out. There's that tire. Absolutely gorgeous. And these rims, that's a special add-on that Baxter Cycle did, had them made, powder coated. Just gorgeous, front and back. Look at that. So the rims, there's a little gold here. We're going to put gold grips on this later today. Just all kinds of accents that kind of tie it all together. The polished pipes, a very polished motorcycle, I would say. Very well done. Wheelbase on this is 55 inches. That is about 1,400 millimeters. Seat height in stock form, a little over 31.5 inches. This tank is a custom paint job. White, under gold, under black, with the painted on letters right there. Now those might be, they feel like they're in the paint. That's very nice, isn't it? Starting at the front, Bon fender, the special wheels, got this little fly screen right here, aftermarket mirrors, the wrap grips. Check out these blinkers right here, both front and rear. Jumping down here, he's got the engine guards, Royal Enfield engine guards, skid plate down there, the polished pipes, S&S. He's got these nifty covers right here, molded, very nice. This says the whole word Interceptor. Usually they just say INT, so the whole Interceptor word. Jumping back here, we've got the custom seat, tail bag, little tail tidy, aftermarket tail light. Isn't that just gorgeous? I think the back brake is the 240 millimeter. The front brake is a 320 millimeter floating disc with a dual piston Bibrey caliper. I don't know if they added the boots or not, but that's a very good look. Very well done, isn't it? Jumping up here, he's got a quad lock. Here's the cockpit area. Just isn't that beautiful? Just look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Analog gauge, speedometer on the left, tachometer on the right. Little LCD down here that has the fuel gauge in it. A trip meter A, trip meter B, and then the odometer. And that's all controlled with this little button in the center. Push it there, trip A, trip B, back to odometer. Over here we got a battery light, neutral light, oil light. So oil light and a battery light. Very nice. Engine light, ABS light. Bike has ABS front and rear. You know what I think? I think I ought to get my gear on and we ought to take this little hot rod for a spin. What do y'all think? Wahoo! All right, y'all, let's go see how smooth this hot rod is. Hey, exhaust pipe alley. Wahoo! I love it. I love it. What a hot rod. What a hot rod. Very windy day here in the mighty metropolis. Look at this. Turns like a dream. Smooth. 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 Oh, yes. I like it already. I like it already. It's interesting. You can feel something is different. Kind of an absence of something almost. I like that. I like that. Let's do our little spin test here. So it's a 1400 millimeter wheelbase. I think that's 55 inches flat. 55.1 maybe. Look at the handling of this thing. I love these bikes. S&S is the best bike. Now they're all great, but S&S does a very good job. What a hoot! What a hoot! What a sound it makes! Welcome to fabulous South Marnie. Fabulous but windy. Boy, this is, oh, it sounds like heaven. Downshifting is perfect. These mirrors are fabulous. I got to get myself a pair of these mirrors. Wahoo! 320 millimeter single disc on the front, floating single disc, dual piston biber calipers, fabulous brakes, 240 millimeter disc on the rear with a single piston biber caliper. Look at that stopping power. Hey, let's go make some noise. Look at that flag over yonder. Do a little short shifting here. What a smooth machine. What a smooth machine. I love it. Absolutely love it. Hot rod for sure. Do a little downshifting again. Let this car go by. Boy, those pipes sound good, don't they? Beautiful handling bike. The Interceptor is one of the most playful motorcycles there is. I just love riding it. Wahoo! Oh, that is smooth. I think I can feel the difference. It's like an absence of something, you know, and I think there's just a little grit to a chain, and this just does not have that. Welcome to the mighty metropolis of Marnie, Iowa. Home of Baxter Cycles, seller of new and used Royal Enfields, Triumphs, classic British bikes of all types. Parts, accessories, Sigma jigs, and doodads. Get yourself over here. Or go to baxtercycle.com. Tell those fine folks Fuzzy Biker sent you. That's me. They ship motorcycles too, by the way. Let's do the hill spin test right here. Boy, this is a fun motorcycle. This is a fun motorcycle. It looks good, it sounds good, it has plenty of snap. What a machine. Hey, the next time you all are in the mighty metropolis of Marnie, make sure you stop right here at the Derail Grill. Get yourself a Wahoo burger, by golly. Oh, what a hot rod. What a hot rod. Well, we've taken it around town. We took it out of the highway. It's fabulous. It's fabulous. I think because it's a new install, I'm going to run it back to the shop and we'll take a look at it there. Boy, this is one of the best sounding Interceptors out there. Isn't it? Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous sounding. It's music. Absolute music. Oh, I love these things. Hey, if you're in the market for a new or used Royal Enfield, Triumph, classic British bike of any type, get yourself over here to Baxter Cycle in the mighty metropolis of Marnie, Iowa. Things, doodads, accessories, jackets, gloves, coats, anything at all, they've got it for you. Or go to baxtercycle.com. Those guys ship motorcycles. Hit like and subscribe if you would. Now it's a beautiful day out here, and I think I'm going to go hop on another motorcycle after I check this belt out and go for a ride. Y'all do the same if you can. Life is grand. Wahoo!
Once you get used to it, it's pretty easy. Lift it up and you click yourself back to first. There you go.
Nice.
You go into a parking lot and do that, people look at you like, what?